everyone, welcome to my new video. So I'm actually planning to take my son for a walk. I will just make a quick video. So I am selling all the dresses that I made. I don't have all the DIY dresses I made in the past because I recycled some of them. So I kept a few DIY dresses I made in the past and I'm selling all of those. I really appreciate everyone who are watching this video, and I really appreciate everyone who shopped at my closet. Yeah, hi. It really helps me a lot to check my closet out. I'll give the link in the description box. So I just put my son to bed. He's sleeping now. I finally can make a video. He has been awake pretty much all day and he took only one nap. Just one nap. He takes 1 or 2 naps during the day. I remember in the past years there were a lot of my viewers, they wanted to purchase the dresses that I made. So now I finally decided I'm going to sell them, and I have already listed most dresses on Poshmark. This is an app I sell my used items. I'm not just selling my DIY dresses, I also sell some of my used items. Please remember you could also offer a price. Thanks to everyone who shopped at my closet. I really appreciate it. I do plan to sell more DIY projects in the future, but not right now because my son takes all my time. I don't have extra time to DIY stuff, and I prefer to spend time with my son than do other activities. So right now I'll just sell the DIY project that I have made in the past years, and maybe when my son goes to kindergarten and then I'll have more time to do things for myself, I might make more DIY project for sale. So right now my son is almost 9 months old, so it'll be in a few years. So right now I sell stuff for living. And thanks to everyone again who shopped at my closet, and thanks to everyone who watching this video. Also thanks to everyone who have been my Patreon. Another thing is that I have a second channel, A Mom's Life. I try to publish videos there more often. So right now I just don't have time. I don't even have time to put on makeup. Even though I'm very busy, I do take care of my skin. I do spend some time on food. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please check out my closet, and I will be adding more and more items there, more DIY project and more of my clothes. I still have a lot of items I haven't listed yet. I'm trying to make time. My son just wants all my attention all day. It's challenging to do some work and take care of him at the same time. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video soon. Bye bye.